As you're exploring React Native while developing the Little Lemon app for Adrian, you realize it needs to display the menu items on the mobile screen. There is, however, a problem. The menu items do not fit within the small mobile screen. In the Little Lemon app, users should be able to scroll up and down the menu. So, you need to build a scrollable list to display all menu items. In this video, you will learn how to build a scrollable view by using the ScrollView component. The screen on your mobile device is probably much smaller than on your computer. So, just like displaying the menu on the Little Lemon app, there are many cases when you need to scroll down to see all the information. With React Native, we can build scrollable lists using a basic core component called ScrollView. It comes as part of the React Native package. The ScrollView component has only one rule. It must be bounded by a height in order to work. This means we need to make sure that all the parent views have a bounded height. Think about your favorite social media app. A lot of information keeps loading as you scroll with your fingers. You may be asking, how do you build these scrollable lists using React Native? Let me tell you more. Typically, your ScrollView component will be inside the view component that you saw earlier. This means you need to set a height to the view component, or set the style Flex1 like the CSS Flexbox properties. I'll demonstrate that now. Inside this scroll view, you need to create a scrollable list of menu items for your Little Lemon mobile app. It displays a list of menu items that do not fit within the mobile screen. So, you will have to scroll down to see the rest of the items. As you touch the screen, you can scroll up and down. Now, let's examine the syntax necessary for building a scroll view menu in React Native. This will entail using a combination of view, text, and scroll view components. First things first, you must import the scroll view component from the React Native package. Notice here that I've already declared a constant array called menu items to display, and this is going to have a lot of text that is going to display as a scrollable list. Now I'm going to use our ScrollView component, but remember that the ScrollView component needs to be bounded by a height. The parent component to the ScrollView is going to be the view component, and I'm going to pass Flex1 to it, which gives a bounded height to the children within the view. Next, I'm going to render our text component, which is inside the ScrollView. It is going to render the large array of text that I have just defined in menu items to display. Just like the other components that you have worked with so far, the ScrollView component also takes in props. For this ScrollView, I'll pass in the style prop to change the appearance. Specifically, I'll adjust the padding and give it a green background color. I would also adjust the highlighting to emphasize the padding lines first, and then the background color line. And there, I've finished creating a simple, scrollable menu for my app. To make this menu, I didn't have to build my own components. I simply used the ScrollView component that is part of the React Native package. I now have a native ScrollView built for both iOS and Android that comes with an inbuilt touch responder system, which enables me to touch the screen and scroll up or down. There is so much more you can do with the ScrollView component and customize it based on your app's needs. Next, you will learn about some common features of ScrollView and how to use them. In this video, you have learned the purpose of the ScrollView component, its use cases, and its basic usage in React Native. Now, get going with your Little Lemon app. Enjoy the coding.